round 23. For close round 23, I want to make last 2 single crochet here. Okay, 35 and 36. Then a slip stitch top of very first single crochet here, and this round finish. So a slip stitch in 2 loops, round 23, finish. Round 24, 4 chain, count as first double crochet and chain 1 space, 1 2 3 4. Another double crochet into same place here, in the same place. Now you can put a marker here in the corner, its corner. Now chain 1, skip 1 single crochet, and into next make a double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 single crochet, and into next make a double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 single crochet, and into next a double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 single crochet, and into next make a double crochet. Chain 1. Here it's a corner. These 2 double crochet are the corner. From the corner 1 2 3 4, another one, skip 1 and a double crochet, 5, a chain, skip 1, a double crochet into next, 6, chain 1, skip 1 and into next, 7, chain 1 and into next, skip this and here, chain 1, skip 1 and another double crochet. Totally 9 double crochet after corner. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now chain 1, skip 2 single crochet, 1 2, and into third one make a double crochet. Chain 1, and here make 9 double crochet, skip 1 single crochet, into next a double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 and a double crochet into next. Chain 1, skip 1 single crochet into next a double crochet. Chain 1, chain 1, skip 1 and a double crochet. Chain 1 again, skip 1 and a double crochet. Skip 1 and a double crochet, then chain 1, skip 1 and into next a double crochet. Now chain 1 here in the corner, a double crochet, a chain and another double crochet in the same place. This is corner. We made 2 double crochet in the same place. I just put the marker again here and repeat the pattern. here, as you see, chain 1, skip 1, a double crochet until 9 double crochet here. Then in the center we skip 2 single crochet here. Let me show you one more time. Chain 1, skip 1, and a double crochet, skip 1 and a double crochet. Don't forget chain 1. Okay, a double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, a double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, a double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, a double crochet. Now chain 1, another double crochet, skip 1, here a double crochet. Okay, now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Then chain 1, skip 2 single crochet here, 1 2, and into third one here make a double crochet, then chain 1 and skip 1 again. Okay, continue this pattern, and I come back to close this round here. For close round 24, after the last double crochet, chain 1, make a slip stitch, top of very first double crochet here, top of this 3 chain, 1 2 3, and a slip stitch. Round 24 finish. Round 25, another slip stitch into this corner, 4 chain, count as first double crochet, 1 2 3 4, and chain 1 space, another double crochet into same place, and this is corner, put the marker here, chain 1 into this chain 1 space, make a double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet into next chain 1 space. This round is easy. Chain 1, a double crochet into next chain 1 space, chain 1 and a double crochet into next, chain 1. Continue this pattern, and I come back here in the corner to show you again. Okay, I made double crochet in each of these chain 1 space plus chain 1. Now here in the corner, after the last double crochet, chain 1, remove this stitch marker, a double crochet here, chain 1, another double crochet into same place here, and put the marker again here, and repeat this pattern. Chain 1, a double crochet into next chain 1 space. This is easy. Chain 1, a double crochet, chain 1, a double crochet into next chain 1 space. Okay, I just want to finish this round and I come back here. Now for close round 25, make a slip stitch, top of very first double crochet after the last chain 1, 2, 3 here, and this round finish. Round 26, another slip stitch into next chain 1 space in the corner, chain 1 just for a start, 2 single crochet here for a start, 1 and 2. In this round we want to increase in each corner, but for first corner I just make 2 single crochet and put a marker into very first single crochet here, into first single crochet. Okay, now a single crochet, top of double crochet, a single crochet into chain 1 space, a single crochet top of next double crochet, a single crochet into next chain 1 space, and continue, a single crochet top of next double crochet. As you see, I made single crochet top of double crochet, another one into next chain 1 space, another one top of next double crochet, and continue this round, and I come back in the corner to make 3 single crochet in the corner. So I just start with 2 single crochet for first corner only. From this round we want to make again continuous round, so first round and first increase is just only from this side. Now here in the corner, remove this stitch marker, 3 single crochet into same place, 1, 2 and 3. Now put a stitch marker into second single crochet here, 1 and 2 here in the center, and repeat the pattern, a single crochet top of first double crochet here, a single crochet into next chain 1 space. So top of each double crochet make a single crochet, and each chain 1 space a single crochet. I come back here to close this round.